Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect my funded futures to Tradingview. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Tradingview dashboard, hover over products, click here on supercharts, and then what I want you to do is just come here, click on either buy or sell, and you'll be on this brokerage panel. What I want you to do is click here on show all brokers. And then what I need you to do is scroll down until you see Trade of 8. So if you come here to My Funded Futures, you just come here, click Get Funded, and you'll notice you're able to choose a plan and a platform. Now, if you go with Trade of 8, this one is integrated with TradingView as well. So you just come here, you put in your login credentials. If I click on Trade of 8, let's say live, you just click here on Connect, and you're able to log in right here with your username and password. And it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.